Can you answer simple English questions out loud? Let's find out together. Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today is an A2 English speaking test, but don't worry, this is a friendly test, not a stressful exam. I'm going to ask you simple questions, and you're going to answer out loud. Alex will give you example answers to help you. And remember, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is to speak out loud. Before we begin, if you are enjoying Clearly English, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And when you finish today, leave a comment below and tell us one question you answered well. So, Alex, are you ready for the speaking test?
I'm ready. A little nervous, honestly, but ready.
That's completely normal. And here's the good news. There are no wrong answers today. Every time you speak, you're winning. So let me explain how this works. I'll ask a question, you answer out loud. Then Alex will give an example answer, and I'll give you simple sentence starters to help. You can repeat Alex's answer or make your own. And remember, short answers are completely okay. Speaking confidence grows through practice, so the more you speak today, the better.
Okay, that makes me feel better. No wrong answers.
No wrong answers. Let's begin. Round 1. Introduce yourself. This is a great place to start because the answers are about you. First question. What is your name? Answer out loud now. Just say, my name is, and then your name.
My name is Alex.
Good. Now your turn, everyone. Say it out loud. My name is blank. Next, where are you from? Take a moment and say your answer.
I'm from Brazil.
Perfect. Now you. Where are you from? Say it out loud. I'm from blank. Next, where do you live? Answer out loud.
I live in Sao Paulo.
Good. Your turn. Where do you live? Say it. I live in blank. Next, what do you do? Answer out loud now.
I'm a teacher.
Perfect. Now you. What do you do? Say it. I work as a blank, or I study blank. And one more. Why are you learning English? Take a moment and say your answer.
I'm learning English because I want to travel.
Wonderful. Now you. Why are you learning English? Say it out loud. I'm learning English because blank. Excellent. You just introduced yourself. That's real speaking practice. And remember, those were short answers, and short answers are perfect. Now let's move to round 2. Daily routine. I'll ask about your normal day. First, what time do you wake up? Answer out loud now.
I wake up at 6:30.
Good. And here's a tip. If you just think 7, make it a sentence. I wake up at 7. Your turn. What time do you wake up? Say it out loud. Next, what do you do in the morning? Answer out loud.
In the morning, I make coffee and get ready for work.
Perfect. Now you. What do you do in the morning? Say it. Next, what do you usually eat for breakfast? Take a moment and say it.
I usually have eggs and toast.
Good. Your turn. What do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud. Next, what do you do after work or school? Answer out loud now.
After work, I go home and relax.
Perfect. Now you. What do you do after work or school? Say it. And one more. What time do you go to bed? Answer out loud.
I go to bed around 10:30.
Wonderful. Now you. What time do you go to bed? Say it out loud. Great work, everyone. You just talked about your daily routine. Now let's move to round 3, work or school. First question, do you work or study? Answer out loud now.
I work. I'm a teacher.
Good. Your turn. Do you work or study? Say it. I work or I study. Next, what do you do every day? Answer out loud.
Every day, I teach classes and talk to students.
Perfect. Now you. What do you do every day? Say it out loud. Next, do you like your job or school? Take a moment and say it.
Yes, I like my job. It's tiring, but I enjoy it.
Good. Your turn. Do you like your job or school? Say it. Yes, I like it, or it's okay. Next, what is easy for you? Answer out loud now.
Understanding English is easy for me. Reading, too.
Perfect. Now you. What is easy for you? Say it. And one more. What is difficult for you? Answer out loud.
Speaking is difficult for me. I need more practice.
Wonderful. Now you. What is difficult for you? Say it out loud. And notice, Alex was honest. He said, speaking is difficult. That's okay. Being honest is good. Now let's move to round 4, food. First question, what is your favorite food? Answer out loud now.
My favorite food is pizza.
Good. Your turn. What is your favorite food? Say it. My favorite food is blank. Next, what did you eat today? Answer out loud now.
Today I ate eggs for breakfast and the sandwich for lunch.
Perfect. Now you. What did you eat today? Say it out loud. Next, do you like cooking? Take a moment and say it.
Yes, I like cooking simple meals.
Good. Your turn. Do you like cooking? Say it. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Next, do you like spicy food? Answer out loud now.
Yes, I love spicy food.
Perfect. Now you. Do you like spicy food? Say it. And one more. Do you prefer eating at home or eating out? Answer out loud.
I prefer eating at home. It's cheaper and more relaxing.
Wonderful. Now you. Do you prefer eating at home or eating out? Say it out loud. Great work. Now let's move to round 6, feelings and opinions. First question, how are you feeling today? Answer out loud now.
I feel good today. A little tired, but good.
Good. Your turn. How are you feeling today? Say it. I feel blank. Next, are you tired or relaxed? Answer out loud now.
I'm a little tired, but I'm relaxed too.
Perfect. Now you. Are you tired or relaxed? Say it out loud. Next, what makes you happy? Take a moment and say it.
My family makes me happy. And good food.
Good. Your turn. What makes you happy? Say it. Next, what do you think about learning English? Answer out loud now.
I think learning English is important for me. It opens many doors.
Perfect. Now you. What do you think about learning English? Say it. And one more. Is English easy for you or difficult? Answer out loud.
English is difficult sometimes, but I'm improving every day.
Wonderful. Now you. Is English easy or difficult for you? Say it out loud. And I love that answer. English is difficult, but I'm improving. That's honest and positive. Now let's move to round 7, future plans. For these, we use words like I'm going to, I want to, and I will. First question, what are you doing tomorrow? Answer out loud now.
Tomorrow I'm going to work.
Good, your turn. What are you doing tomorrow? Say it. Tomorrow I'm going to blank. Next, what are your plans for the weekend? Answer out loud.
This weekend I'm going to relax and see some friends.
Perfect. Now you. What are your plans for the weekend? Say it. Next, what do you want to improve? Take a moment and say it.
I want to improve my speaking.
Good. Your turn. What do you want to improve? Say it. I want to improve blank. Next, where do you want to travel? Answer out loud now.
I want to travel to Canada someday.
Perfect. Now you. Where do you want to travel? Say it. I want to travel to blank. And one more. What will you practice next? Answer out loud.
I will practice listening and speaking.
Wonderful. Now you. What will you practice next? Say it out loud. Excellent. You just used I'm going to, I want to, and I will. Those are your future words. Now let's do a mini speaking test challenge. I'm going to give you 10 quick questions from all the rounds. Answer each one out loud. Don't overthink it, just speak. And remember, short answers are completely okay. Ready? Number 1. What is your name? Answer out loud now.
My name is Alex.
Number 2. Where are you from? Answer out loud. Number 3. What did you eat today? Say it now.
Today, I ate a sandwich for lunch.
Number 4. How are you feeling? Answer out loud. Number 5. What do you do? Say it now.
I'm a teacher.
Number 6. What do you like to do? Answer out loud. Number 7. What are your plans for tomorrow? Say it now.
Tomorrow, I'm going to work and then relax.
Number 8. Why are you learning English? Answer out loud. Number 9. What is difficult for you? Say it now.
Speaking is difficult, but I'm getting better.
And number 10. What can you say confidently in English? Answer out loud now.
I can introduce myself, talk about my day, and answer simple questions.
Excellent. You just answered 10 questions. That's a complete speaking test. How do you feel, Alex?
Honestly, really good. At the start, I was nervous, but now it feels natural.
That's exactly what happens. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Now, let me show you how to improve your answers. Sometimes you give a one-word answer, and that's okay. But let's practice making answers a little bigger. I'll give you a short answer, and Alex will make it a full sentence. First, coffee.
I had coffee this morning.
Perfect. Now, yes.
Yes, I like it.
Good. Now, work.
I work in an office.
Perfect. Now, tired.
I feel tired today because I slept late.
Excellent. And one more, English.
I'm learning English because I want to speak with confidence.
Perfect. See how a short answer becomes a full sentence. You just add a little more. And everyone listening, you can do this too. Take any short answer and make it bigger. Now, I want to remind you of something important. A2 speaking does not need to be perfect. Short answers are still real English. Speaking out loud is the goal. Mistakes are part of the test and part of learning, and every answer you give builds your confidence.
I really feel more confident now. After answering so many questions, it feels normal.
And that's the goal. Now let's finish with some affirmations. I'll say each one and you repeat it out loud. And everyone listening, say them with us. Ready? I can answer simple questions.
I can answer simple questions.
I can speak with confidence.
I can speak with confidence.
Simple English is enough.
Simple English is enough.
I improve when I speak.
I improve when I speak.
My mistakes help me learn.
My mistakes help me learn.
I can keep practicing.
I can keep practicing.
How did that feel?
Really good. Saying them out loud makes them feel true.
Because they are true. Now let's do a gentle self-check, and I want you to be kind to yourself here. Ask yourself, could you answer some of the questions? If yes, that's success. Could you say some full sentences? If yes, that's great. Could you speak out loud? If yes, you practiced. And did you try even when it felt difficult? If yes, you're a real learner. And here's the truth. If you answered even a few questions today, you practiced successfully. You don't need to answer every question perfectly. You just need to try and speak.
That's reassuring. So even a few answers means I did well.
Even a few answers means you did well. And here's what I want you to do. Come back to this episode and take the speaking test again. The second time, your answers will come faster. The third time, even faster. And little by little, answering questions in English will feel completely natural. Thank you so much for joining us today on Clearly English. If this speaking test helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And please leave a comment below and tell us one question you answered well today. Write it in the comments. We would love to see it. Remember, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is to speak out loud. And you did that today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.